In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Revolut to another wallet. So this can be a different exchange such as Bybit, Binance, or really any other wallet. So to do this, first just go and open up the Revolut app. After doing that, click crypto in the bottom. And you will need to own some crypto to do this. So if you don't yet have some, just click trade and go and buy some crypto. After doing that, click send right here and just choose the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer over to a different wallet. So I'll go with USDT. And then from here, you will see your previously used wallet addresses. Now from here, you can also just click add wallet address. And then you will see something like this. Now an important detail here is that you can see the currency network pairing. So for the currency, I picked USDT or Tether, and then you can see after that it says Ethereum. So that means that I need to transfer the money on the Ethereum network. So I need to get a wallet address that also uses the Ethereum network and is for the currency USDT. Now I'll show you how you can make sure that that is the case in a second, but down here you will need to paste in a wallet address. Now to find that, just go ahead and open up the wallet that you want to send the crypto to. So in this case, I'll use Kraken. And then on Kraken, you want to go ahead and click on deposit, or if you choose a different exchange, then also just go and click deposit and select crypto. So down here, I can see Tether USD, also known as USDT, which is what I also picked on Revolut. So just make sure that you also pick the same currency on the wallet you are sending to as you did on Revolut. Now for the network, you also need to make sure that you select the same one. So for me, it said USDT Ethereum, which means I need to pick USDT currency and then here the Ethereum network. So then click I understand and you will then see your wallet address. So just click copy address. And then you want to go and paste in the address right here. So then after doing that, click on continue. And then you will see that it has been added to your list of wallet addresses. Now just click on the wallet address you want to withdraw to, and then you can choose how much you want to send to this wallet. After doing that, click review transfer, and then you have an overview with how much it will cost in terms of fees and all of that. So just go and click confirm, and then the crypto will be on its way to the other wallet. So now you know how to send crypto from Revolut to another wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.